Good morning guys. 2018 Toyota Corolla. The vehicle had the check engine light came on. Other than that, the vehicle owner say operating fine, the car operating fine, no any symptom. Okay, anyway, let's confirm what the customer complained. We start the engine. Yeah, as you can see, the check engine light came on right there. Okay, anyway, I see the engine idle, everything fine, engine runs smooth. Okay, anyway, turn off the engine and the key back on. Hook up the scan tool and see what we see from there. Okay guys, I have the scan tool hook on here. Get ready for reading the code. Okay, we have a 0456 EVAP emission control system leak detected very small leak. I hate a very small leak like this. Sometimes we use the smoke machine and we even don't see the smoke at all. We have to deal with the soft water or something. Okay, we have 3 different codes here. No, I mean not different. 0456, 0456, 0456. But as you can see, the computer said that the current, history, and pending. Okay, anyway, in this problem, as you can see, most likely the fuel cap is leaking. As you can see, the fuel cap here, good idea. We should not touch it until we check for the leak. For example, I want to say, if we open it and to look for the seal and we tighten it back, and then the leak is sealed, and then finally we don't see it anymore. Yeah, just now leave it alone. Don't lose the cap. Okay guys, here under the hood, around the engine bay, as you can see, this is the pearl valve, and on the connector, the hose connector that form the fuel, this side from the fuel tank, and after the solenoid, and it go to the intake manifold after the throttle body. Okay, anyway, I have the smoke machine hooked on here for to check the leak in the fuel tank. And here I would like to go back for EVAP active. Yeah, I want to active the EVAP. But yeah, okay. Yeah, I don't need to monitor anything. I just wanna turn on and off the vent valve. Okay, as you can see on the smoke machine right now, the pressure is something about like +1 right there guys. And as you can see, the little ball on here is on top. Okay, let's see. We stay for a while on here. Let me close this valve by turning it on. Yeah, you can see it's off right now. Okay, hit on. Yep, and as you can see, the pressure build up right there. Yeah, take for a while to see if the system is sealed, and the ball will drop all the way down to the floor, all the way down. I mean, yep. Okay, we will back for a while. As you can see, it drop a little bit now, and if it stay on the way somewhere, that means we still have the leak. We come back after a while. As you can see, the vent valve still on. That means the valve is closed right now, closed condition. As you can see, over here the pressure build up to like something +3. So as you can see, the ball is stopped from there. That means we still have a leak, but I don't know on this amount of leak we can able to see the smoke. Right now I have the smoke machine not hooked on, electrical hooked on. Yes, it's still living here. So now we can able to open the cap and look to see the cap condition. Let's see how it look like. Yeah, for me the cap is still a good seal. And we leave the cap open like that and back to the smoke machine, and I will show you guys. Yeah, the ball back to the top again because the fuel cap is open, the fuel tank is open by remove the cap, and the pressure back to +1. So now we try to tighten the cap back. Yeah, hopefully it's sealed now, guys. If the cap is not properly sealed, and you see the pressure slowly build up, the bar is still not dropped yet. Yeah, even we cannot stay long on the video, in the video right here. Let me turn it off. And we came back after we tighten the fuel cap and check for the fuel cap condition. As you can see, it's still leaking there and nothing changed. The vent valve is still on. Okay, what I would like to do, leave the vent valve with the scan tool on like that, leave it in closed condition, and I will go under the car to check where the hose from the vent valve connect to the filter, and we manually to close that valve and to see what's going on any work. If we do the right step by step, we will have the less work. Then for example, right now if I hook up the smoke machine and use the light, check for the smoke coming out, and maybe cannot find it and take for the racing time. Okay guys, here under the vehicle where the charcoal canister located in the left rear wheel, as you can see right here, the left rear wheel driver's side, and as you can see the vent valve is right here, and this hose we go to the vent valve filter or something. Okay, like I said earlier, leave this valve is closed right now because I didn't off on the scan tool yet. I will use something like a rubber flush. I will plug it in. Why? This step I want to see if this valve, when it's closed but it's properly sealed, with no leak, but it is not properly sealed, it will leak. Okay, I think that's good enough. And go back there and to see what we see from there. Okay guys, just a few seconds from the back of the vehicle, go to the front after we manually flush the hose to the filter from the vent valve. As you can see, the bar drop all the way down here. That means the system completely sealed now. So in this time I will leave the ball, leave the scan tool with on condition like that, with the pressure everything here, and go back down again and take that flutter out again and see this board back up or not. Okay, now go back to under the car and I take this out, okay, and leave it open like that with the valve in closed condition right now, guys, and go back to the front of the vehicle. See, and we got the OD there. Okay, that's it. Little ball come right back, guys, and the valve still on. What happened if I touching? We have the answer now, guys. The vehicle need a new vent valve for the choke canister. And now let me see, I can go up. Okay, the valve comes right back. Okay, and do the test again with the valve off. I don't need it on anymore. Go under the car again. Yeah, from there under the hood on the scan tool, as you can see, I turn off this valve right now. This valve in open condition right now, guys, and I just use this only. Press it in, yep, and go back there and see how the ball drop. Of course, it takes longer than when this valve closed, because the fuel tank might be more than half a tank empty, and the build up pressure getting longer. Okay, guys, go back here. As you can see, right now the vent valve is in off position, open condition, and you can see with the flush only, and this valve is closed all the way. Yep, boom, boom, stuck right there. Okay, like I say, I still leave the valve in off position. No need electronic involved here anymore. Yep. Okay, that's it, guys. Quick test on the case. It's very small leak, and also a leak from inside the vent valve. It's not properly closed, and we might hard to see if we use the smoke machine. Again, I didn't hook up the smoke machine yet. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.